Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6215. This ran from the 5th 2018 to the current shape. It has a PA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, spare wheel, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,